After a lot of struggle, I finally managed to get the hands on with this phone. This is Xiaomi Mi A3. Oh yeah, and I got it in the studio. Finally. So hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir. And today in this video, I'm going to unbox this Xiaomi Mi A3 and give you my first impression on this device. So, let's begin. So finally guys, I got the Mi A3's package right over here. My god, I was waiting for this device for a long time. As you know, I love the Mi A series. That's why I have already reviewed both the Mi A1 as well as Mi A2. So guys, this is a box here. As you see, Mi A3 is written over here, 48 megapixel AI triple camera, Mi A3 Android 1, blah blah blah. And on the back there are some of the specification mentioned, like 48 megapixel triple camera, fast infrared fingerprint scanner, AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 5, that's great, 32 megapixel selfie camera, dual VoLTE, and a lot of things. This is a 4GB 64GB model. This is the one which I got, by the way. I bought it from the Mi home, that's why they have broke the seal, but the phone is brand freaking new. Let's open it and let's see how is it. So first of all, we got this package over here. Let's open this package first. Inside this, as you see, we got this SIM removal tool, and then we got some paperwork. These are some basic paperwork, and then we got this TPU silicone case. That's great actually. And then we have this Mi A3. So this is a phone guys. Oh my god. By the way, this is like white color, and they are saying it more than white, and it looks pretty fantastic. By the way, this is glass, not plastic. So yeah, let me remove this plastic. My god, it looks pretty fantastic, by the way guys. Wow, this looks like a psychedelic or something like that, and it gives this shimmery orangey grungy type of look, and it looks pretty fantastic. By the way, the phone feels very small as compared to some other devices. Let's turn it on, and while it's booting up, let's see what else we got inside this box. We got this charger. By the way, this supports 18-watt fast charging, but they have not bundled that same charger. They have bundled this one, I guess. This is a 10-watt charger, 5-volt 2 ampere. And then we have this USB Type-C cable which they have provided. So let's put this aside for a moment. Well, as you see, the display does not look that bad. By the way, till it's booting up, let me give you a physical overview first. So as you see guys, on the back it has triple rear cameras. This is the primary one, and this is the 48 megapixel, that same sensor that IMX586 that every other phone has right now, with the f1.8 aperture, and that's quite good. Then we have this 8 megapixel wide angle lens, and that has the aperture of f2.2. Then we have this 2 megapixel f2.4 depth sensor for depth basically. Then we have this LED flashlight, 48 megapixel AI camera, that logos, and wow, this back looks pretty fantastic. Then we have Xiaomi logo and Android 1 logo over here. And then moving to the bottom, let me show you. We have two vents. First, I guess this is the speaker, and this is for microphone hole, and this is plastic, and it looks kind of ugly in my opinion. By that, they have given this aluminum type of shape, design or color, I guess, but in this holes it looks pretty ugly. And we have the USB Type-C over here. Oh my god, what's wrong? What is this? I thought that color is already chipping, but it's some okay, it was some sticky or gooey substance. The color was not chipping. Then we have this two buttons. This is a power button, and this is a volume rocker. On top, oh damn, we got this our beloved 3.5mm headphone jack. My god, thank you so much Xiaomi for bringing this back. And then we have the IR blaster and secondary noise cancellation microphone. And on this side we have this SIM tray. Let's check the possibilities that we have with this SIM tray. As you see guys, we have a hybrid slot. So basically you can put one SIM and one micro SD card at a time. And my god, what is this? I guess this is a seal guys. And this phone is PI2 water repellent. That means you can use it in the rain. light rain basically. On the front we have this speaker grill on the top, then we have some sensors I guess over there, and then this 32 megapixel front facing camera with the aperture of f2.0. that's great actually. Then we have this 6 inches, basically 6.01 inches of 720p AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 5. That's great. And as far as I am concerned, that the resolution is just 720p, not full HD as the predecessors had of this Mi A series. But let's see. Well, the phone is turned on, and as you see guys, the display looks pretty gorgeous. It looks pretty good guys. I don't have any complaints. It looks pretty sharp to my eyes. As you see, currently it is running on Android 9 Pie. Almost 49 GB is free out of 64 GB. So yeah, that's great. I cannot play videos in 1080p, and that's very bad in my opinion. But as you see guys, the display looks pretty fantastic as of now. Of course, about the deep blacks and the contrast is very high due to the AMOLED. But yeah, whatever it is, it looks pretty fantastic as you see over here. Let's test the fingerprint scanner over here. So as you see, we got this logo. It's slow actually. It's not that fast in my opinion. I mean, it's a in-display fingerprint scanner, so what more can I expect? It's pretty decent. It's not bad. It takes around a second to unlock, but yeah, it's good. Let's take some pictures and let's see how's the picture quality. Let me put my keys over here. Let's take a picture at the same position but with wide angle lens. Let's see. So guys, this is the picture with a normal lens, and well, oh my god, the details are just crazy. Damn guys, as you see the details, wow, impressive. By the way, the lighting is pretty great right now. So yeah, and this is the same picture with the wide angle lens, and I mean, it's pretty decent, especially if you consider the price range. So the camera seems pretty fantastic as the trend goes. But let's see, I will test it more and I will make a full camera review of this phone. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Let's open the front facing camera. So as you see, this is the current selfie that I have taken. Let's zoom in. Wow guys, even though this part seems little bit overexposed in my opinion, but the selfies comes out to be really nice. So this is a front facing selfie guys, and wow, I'm impressed. As of the first impression, I'm quite impressed with this. As for the build quality goes guys, this is quite small in my opinion as compared to some other devices. Even though the screen is just 6 inches, it gives quite comfortable feel in my hand. And as far as design goes guys, the back portion looks pretty fantastic, but this bump is there. Let's see. It's not that bad, but yeah, it's there. As you see, this is a bump. It's quite small, but it's there. By the way guys, they have improved the battery too, so now it has 4000 mAh battery, and that's great. So yeah guys, that's all that I wanted to tell you about this phone in this video. I am gonna make a lot of videos on this device, like a camera review, full charging test, a battery test, gaming review, full review, and reason to buy, pros and cons, and all those good things that I wanted to tell you about this phone. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, the special tips and tricks videos is also coming, so please stay tuned for that. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe, then after that hit that bell notification icon, so when I post the video of this phone in the future, you will get notified. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to purchase this phone or any other phone in this price category, so it would be very helpful to them as well as for me. So yeah, by the way, I will leave a link of this phone in the description box below from where you can purchase it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video guys. Bye bye.